To play Roblox in full screen mode with the taskbar hidden, there are two methods. The first method involves starting a game in Roblox, hitting the escape button, and then going to settings to find the full screen option and toggling it on. This should remove the taskbar and menu bars from Roblox. If this does not work, using the keyboard combination Shift and F11 will force Windows to put Roblox into full screen mode, hiding the taskbar and menu bar at the top. Alternatively, if the first method is not successful, using the Shift and F11 combination will utilize Windows to force Roblox into full screen mode, ensuring the taskbar and menu bar are no longer visible. By following these steps, you can enjoy playing Roblox in full screen mode without the taskbar.